Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice.
I've always been told.
Yo. Well, go on, my beautiful peoples. Alright. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook this very delicious Jamaican style stew chicken foot. Yeah man, we are take yard straight abroad. We not left out with Jamaican food, no matter what. Alright? So right here I have roughly about 3 pounds of chicken foot that I already washed and cleaned up and cut off the toes, as you can see right here. Right? And I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. And now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of homemade green seasoning. And guys, I'm gonna do a video how I make this green seasoning for you. Alright, so also I'm adding 1 tablespoon of mushroom soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of regular soya sauce. Now I'm gonna go ahead and massage the season into the meat.
If my foot's out the
And see how this look very flavorful. Just look on it. You can know so this is gonna taste good by the way it's seasoned. Alright. So after marinating for about half an hour, I'm now adding it to my pot. Also gonna go ahead and throw some water, and I'm rinsing out the same seasoned dish. And guys, just add enough water, right? Because you're gonna stew these chicken foot. You're gonna leave it to boil and cook. No oil. Alright, so after cooking for roughly about an hour and a half, and guys, if you don't want to wait that long, you can also throw it in a pressure cooker. I'm now gonna go ahead and test if it's cooked enough to take the seasoning. Yeah guys, it's cooked enough, but it's hot. It's really hot, trust me. I can't even squeeze it properly. Alright, so now I'm going in with some spring onion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, onion, tomato, red and green bell pepper. And I'm not gonna add the red and green bell pepper yet. I'm just going in with my spring onion, my thyme, my pepper, and my garlic. Trust me guys, the whole smell, if you ever smell all this smell right now, my neighbor them supposed to smell it right now, and I wonder why I go on another house here.
you never trust.
Alright, so I'm just gonna cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes before I add the lima beans.
The same,
Now I'm going in with my red and green bell pepper,
but this time I fall back in
followed by my lima beans, and I'm using the canned lima beans.
battle. I'm armed.
Also gonna add 60 grams of butter.
I lose it.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it all in. And as you can see, I didn't add any salt because
Finally,
most of these powder seasons already have enough salt content in it. Plus I'm using the soya sauce that also have salt content. Alright guys, this is how it's looking right now. Look how gorgeous this look. Just look how delicious this look. Chicken foot in a style. Alright, so here are the finishing product right here.
so I breathe.
Oh look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow,
Picture the worst.
nice. Alright, just look on this guys. Are the first one ever see chicken foot look good in a plate, so chicken foot in a style. Watch it. Oh my word. Jesus, yo, my nose and the mouth are run water right now for this. And look how soft and tender it is. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test for y'all.
'Cause I'm finally fragile.
And I'm just gonna give you another close-up. Look how gorgeous this chicken foot is. Mad. Sell off. Trust me, this sell off, man. I tell you. Yeah, man, them steppers are bad. Steppers and being shot. Yeah, man, you need to try this recipe out, man.